Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have another fun Advent unboxing for you. It is the Essence. I've done this one every year for like the past 5 or so years, and I couldn't pass on doing it again when I saw it at Ulta. So if you guys would like to see what is inside the Essence Advent calendar, then just keep watching. So this is what it looks like. It is the Essence Happy Holidays Advent Calendar. It does say vegan on the side, and on the back it does show you all of the items that are inside, but I'm not going to ruin any of the surprises. I kind of want to experience them with you while I'm doing it. So let's see, how do we open this? Okay, so it opens like a book. And this one also does not go in order, so you kind of have to look around for the days as you're going. But it's cute, you know, snowflakes and ornaments, a Christmas tree here and ornaments here. Can you see the Christmas tree right here? Christmas tree. Ornaments. All right, so day one is right here. Oh boy, this might be one I put down, guys. Day one, and it looks like a lipstick of some sort. It is the moisturizing sheer lipstick. It says with sweet almond oil and shea butter. Ooh, this reminds me of the LA Girl lipstick that I loved a year or two ago. It was like tan and it had that same type of like hydrating center. Okay, shades right here. It's like a berry rosy tone. Interesting. Actually, I'm gonna try that right now because my lips could use something. It smells sweet. So that's nice. Off to a good start. So that was day one. Over here is day two. And it is the color correcting mattifying powder. So it has peach and green and white. So that's good for counteracting blue and red. Is that right? Orange. Yeah, blue and red. So this would be really good if you struggle with like veining and like those colors peeking through your skin. So that's nice. Day two. All right, day three. This long one here. Do we think mascara? Liner? What do we think? Make your predictions. Wrong on all accounts. This one is an eyeshadow shader brush. I do like their brushes. I own a lot of them. Whenever I get coupons at CVS and it's like $2 off cosmetics, I go right to Essence and I pick something. This one has pink glitter handle and it's a flat shadow brush, which I will definitely use. I'm always looking for flat shadow brushes to apply my like cream and sparkle shadows. That was 3. Let's see, day 4 up top. Pocket glitter nail top coat. Last year they had like a peachy rose top coat that I did use, but now I pretty much just use fast dry shadows or nail strips. So might be gifted to someone else. That was number 4. Number 5, tweezers? No idea. What is this? Brow wax pen. Oh, interesting. I don't know if I've tried one of these recently. I feel like I've tried these years ago, like from the dollar store. Not recently, so interesting. That was 5. Now to find 6. Ooh. Ooh, it's a big one. It's, I think, the biggest one. Yeah, this is the biggest one. What do we think? Mask. Wipes. These are the star-shaped hydrogel eye patches. Those are cute. Like little shooting stars. So far, I'm liking what I've gotten in this advent calendar. There haven't been any like complete duds yet, but perhaps I spoke too soon. We will see. That was 6. Next up is 7. 7 right here. Christmas nail stickers. Okay. Cute, but not totally makeup. I might use these. There's some metallic ones on here, which are really pretty. And I do use nail stickers sometimes. I mean, forgive the stump of a nail, but I have nail petals, like petal stickers on my nails right now. So I have like the Color Street set, and then I have petals that look like candy corn. So I do use nail stickers. So I think I could probably get some use out of these. And my daughter loves purple, so there's lots of purple stickers for her on here. All right, that was 7. Number 8. Number 8, overnight lip mask. I love overnight lip masks. I've never seen them in like a chapstick tube like this. Usually they're like a pot or like a squeeze out tube. Curious to see how that one works, especially with cold weather on the way. All right, that was 8. Number 9. Number 9, another pencil of some sort, maybe an eyeliner. Ooh, is this a mascara? Why can I not get these out? This one is the I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara, and I just cleaned out all of my backup mascaras and got rid of most of them except for like the ones that I purchased recently. So good to have a fresh tube of mascara. Like I said, so far this has been pretty good. Number 10, and they always have like one special highlight, which is like the thing I look forward to the most in these advent calendars. Cuticle manicure sticks. I have so many of these, I don't need any more. But I guess if you're going for like manicure and makeup, I guess that helps because you've got the stickers, you've got the cuticle sticks to like actually pick up the stickers and place them. You've got the nail polish. Number 11. Number 11. Could this be the highlight that I look forward to every year? I don't think so. It is blush lighter. Ooh, let's see what this looks like. May this blush lighter light up your Christmas and cheeks for beautiful moments and rosy glow. This is so pretty, guys. I kind of don't want to mess it up. Can you guys see the little imprint? It's so cute. So cute. All right, I got it without completely messing it up here. Oh, it's so light. It's almost like a highlight. I like that. That was number 11. Perhaps that was the special highlighting product they always put in one. Number 12. This is another tall one. Another mascara. Was this a brush? Angled eyeshadow blender brush. Nice. 12. So now we're on to 13. 13 up here. Maybe another lip product. Pocket whitening nail base coat. So if you use a lot of liquid polish, your nails will discolor over time. I don't have that problem with the nail strips, but this kind of has like a blue tone to it, so it will help to like whiten your nails, I guess. So that's nice for someone that wears a lot of liquid polish. That was day 13. Day 14 down here, maybe single shadow. Braided hair ties. Braided hair ties. Interesting. I don't own any braided hair ties. Didn't even know that was a thing. That was day 14. Day 15. What is this? Juicy Balm Shiny Lip Gloss. Some of these products I didn't even know Essence made. That was 15. Day 16. Another big one. What do we think it is? Maybe a small shadow palette? No. Wrong again. These are mattifying oil control papers. And I forgot to mention that each little door has a little saying. Like this one says, "You look magnificent." Day 3 said, "Brushing around the Christmas tree." Day 7, "Seek magic in the little things, darling." So like it's another cute little aspect. Have yourself a Manny little Christmas. Get it? Because it was like the manicure sticks. Day 9, "Live, love, lash." Like really cute. All right, that was day 16. Now on to day 17, which is up here. little sharpener. You can always use another sharpener. I still use mine from last year. It has a larger pencil side and a smaller one. I still use mine from last year. I'm liking this Advent so far, guys. This is better than the Sephora one. I'm just putting it out there. 17, 18, perhaps another face product. Is this the highlight? Christmas highlighter. I get so excited about this one. I love the previous year's highlight. It was like this beautiful peachy pink shade. This one looks like a peachy golden shade. So pretty. All right, we're ready. It definitely looks a bit golden, but it looks lighter. So I feel like maybe I can use it. Ooh, yeah, there's definitely a hint of peach to that. That is really pretty. Let's dust it on a bit, shall we? Love it. All right, that was day 18. That was day 18. Day 19 is down here. Maybe a liner, maybe not. It looks like a liner. It is the Essence Kajal Pencil Eyeliner in black. So I think we got one of these last year and I never really ended up using it, but I did donate it, so it still got used. 19. 20, 20, 20. 20. It was in lighter writing, so it was harder to see it. And this one says, life is better with hand cream. And this one is moisturizing hand cream with shea butter and vitamin E essence. I don't know what scent, but it's a really pretty rose gold package that I will definitely toss in my purse. Day 21, 21. Day 21 right next to it, completely missed it. This one says, get them sugar coated. This one is a pocket nail polish and it looks like a solid pinky lavender shade. All right, so far we've gotten 3 nail polishes. I don't know if we need that many. 21, let's see, 22. There's another big one. What do we think it is? Shadow stick? Oh, another brush, eyeliner brush. Cool, I like getting their brushes. 22, 23. Ooh, 23, another long one, another brush. Another mascara. A glitter nail file. All right. That was 23, so the last one, day 24. And this one says, have yourself a glorious little Christmas. And this one is the pH reacting glitter lip glow. Ooh, look at this. Now that is pretty. Should we try it? Yeah. Okay, so my lips are slightly stained from a lip stain I put on earlier in the day, but let's first see what this does on the back of my hand. I've already removed the other products. Do you guys see it turning? And there's like 2 bits of glitter, so it's mostly like a pink tone lipstick, but it looks so cool. All right, let's try it. I didn't get a mini mirror this time. Usually they give you like a little tiny mirror. All right, ready? I haven't done this part yet. So this part has already reacted to the warmth of my skin. This is my natural lip. Not a whole lot of glitter comes off. It's mostly just a pinky lip product. I don't really see much glitter at all. So there's a ton in here, but I'm getting 1, 2, really 2 little flecks of glitter. I don't care for the berry taste too much, but it's a really fun product. There's the shade. All right, so now that we've opened all the doors, I can look at the back and make sure I opened everything. Yep, we opened them all. So on the back, obviously it shows you all of the products and all of the ingredients and information that you need to know about the products. My favorites, just at first glance, would have to be these 4 as far as makeup goes, and then the 3 brushes as far as like non-makeup products, like accessories go. So I'm very excited to try these out, get them on my face, wear them, test them. I think this one's tied with the Benefit Advent Calendar because I feel like that one was a really good value because you got a lot of high-end Benefit products. You got the blushes and the bronzers and the mascaras and the liners, like expensive things, and mostly in travel size, which is fantastic if you travel or just have like a small space. So I feel like that one was a really good value, but this one was really affordable to begin with. It's Essence, and you get a lot of really fun things that I think are quite useful. Like I can use a blush, I can use a highlight, I can use a powder, I can use a mascara, I can use brushes. They gave you one mask, which I think is reasonable instead of putting it in like 10 different doors. So I think it was a good collection. We had nails, we had face, we had brushes, we had hair. I don't necessarily think I need hair products from Essence because it's not a hair brand, it's a makeup brand. But I am happy with this advent calendar, and you can always use like your Ulta coupons on Essence because it's like a drugstore product. It isn't prestige, so take advantage of those coupons when you have them. So I definitely think this is worth it. I am very happy that I bought it this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox the 2022 Essence Advent Calendar. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.